In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to check your penalty points on a UK driving license. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go out to government.uk. Once from here, you'll be able to find the view or share your driving license information right here. And if you can't find it, I'll also put a link to that down in the description below for you to quick access it. From here, it should bring stuff like this. From here, you'll be able to see and view your driving record, for example, vehicle you can drive, to check for your penalty points and disqualifications, or you can also create a license check code to share your driving record with someone, for example, a car hire company. And you also need to be aware that the check will be valid for 21 days once you get it. So before you start, you'll actually need your driver's license number and your national insurance number, but you can find it by clicking on this right here if you lost it. You also need to have your postcard or postcode on your driver's license. And if you're Welsh, you'll just need to click on this right here to get into the Welsh page instead of the UK one. Once you're ready, you'll just need to click Start Now, and from here you'll need to enter the details like your driving license number. For example, you can see this right here. You can see and need your national insurance number, and lastly your postcode that will also be visible inside of your driver's license. Once from here, you'll just need to click I confirmed I'd like to use this service and understand that my data will be shared as explained above. And from here, you'll just need to click View Now. Now from here, you'll be able to see and check your penalty points on your driver's license. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!